Welcome to all of you. Student, in this video we will cover the lesson 14 and 15 of the grammar section. So let's start it. So first the 14 lesson is agreement of verb with the subject. So in this chapter we will study how to apply verb with the correct form of number and person of the subject. So let's see what is the rules are given in this chapter of applying of the verb with the correct form of subject. As you can see in the pink box that is given here, the verb must agree with the subject in person and number. This rule is known as concord. So yes, you can also see agreement of verb with the subject is the subject verb concord. So rules number 1 is if the subject is singular, the verb is usually singular in number. यानी कि जब आपका सब्जेक्ट सिंगुलर फॉर्म में होगा तो आपको वर्ब भी सिंगुलर ही अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. जैसे एग्जाम्पल में दिया गया है Ritika plays tennis. So here Ritika is the subject that is in the singular form. So like that play. No, here will be plays because it is the present definite tense, and in the present definite tense with the subject is singular, we add SES with the verbs. Next is if the subject is a singular noun, we should as s या es with the first form of the verb in present definite tense, as I have told you before. If the subject is plural, the verb is usually plural in number. Like that butterflies fly. If here is the butterfly, then you would use two butterflies. Next is if two or more subjects are conquered या connected by an So if two or more subjects are connected by and they take a verb in the plural form. एग्जाम्पल रीना एंड रूपल आर माई फ्रेंड्स, यानी कि जब दो सब्जेक्ट एंड से जुड़े हों तो वहाँ भी आप वर्ब हमेशा प्लूरल यूज़ करेंगे. एज लाइक रीना एंड रूपल, हियर इज टू सब्जेक्ट बट दे आर कनेक्टेड बाय एंड, सो हियर इज सब्जेक्ट इन द प्लूरल फॉर्म. Next is if a singular subject is preceded by each या every, the verb is should be in the singular form. यानी कि जब किसी सब्जेक्ट के पहले each या every आएगा, whether it is singular या plural, then you have to use the verb in the singular form. As like each and every person in the village knows the him. Next is rules number 4. Two or more singular subjects connected by either or टेक दी वर्ब इन दी सिंगुलर, यानी कि जब कोई भी सब्जेक्ट आइदर और से कनेक्ट होता है तो वहाँ भी हम सिंगुलर वर्ब भी यूज़ करते हैं. जैसे कि आइदर इकबाल या रणबीर इज़ दी कैप्टन ऑफ आवर स्कूल हॉकी टीम. नेक्स्ट इज इफ ऑफ द टू सब्जेक्ट्स द फर्स्ट वन इज सिंगुलर एंड द सेकेंड वन इज प्लूरल, द वर्ब विल बी इन द प्लूरल फॉर्म इन केस ऑफ आइदर और. यानी कि जब दो सब्जेक्ट हों और दोनों आइदर ऑल से कनेक्टेड हो, so the second is on the plural form, then you have to use the verb of the plural number. As like either Nimisha या his family. So here family is the plural. That's why we had the example given in the book. The verb in the sentence is the plural. Next is when two singular subjects are joined by neither nor use singular. यानी कि जब दो सब्जेक्ट neither nor से जुड़े हो तो वहाँ भी हम सिंगुलर वर्ब यूज़ करते हैं. एज लाइक neither Janvi nor her sister was present today. So student, rule number 7, when of the two subjects of first one is singular and the second one is plural in number, use plural verb in case of neither nor. यानी कि जब दो सब्जेक्ट neither nor से जुड़े हो और दूसरा सब्जेक्ट प्लूरल फॉर्म में हो तो आपको वर्ब भी प्लूरल ही यूज़ करना पड़ेगा. जैसे कि एग्जाम्पल में दिया गया है neither Pooja nor her friends have come to the party. So यहाँ verb is applied according to the second subject as like her friends. Next rules number 8, a collective noun takes a singular verb. यानी कि जब भी collective noun होता है वहाँ पे हम verb singular यूज़ करते हैं. As like a brood of mosquitoes, यानी कि mosquitoes का झुंड, a group of mosquitoes was floating in puddle of water. Next rules number 9, some nouns which are plural in forms but singular in meaning take a singular verb. यानी कि कुछ वर्ब्स ऐसे होते हैं जो देखने में हमें प्लूरल फॉर्म जैसे लगते हैं बट एक्चुअली दे आर इन सिंगुलर. एज लाइक सोशल स्टडीज, स्टैटिक्स, मैथमेटिक्स, इकोनॉमिक्स, दे ऑल आर लुकिंग लाइक प्लूरल बट एक्चुअली दे आर सिंगुलर. दैट्स वाई वी ऑलवेज यूज वर्ब इन सिंगुलर फॉर्म विद दिस टाइप ऑफ वर्ड्स. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज रूल नंबर 10, नाउन्स लाइक अ पेयर ऑफ शूज, अ पेयर ऑफ सीजर्स एक्सेट्रा टेकन एज ए सिंगुलर, दे टेक अ सिंगुलर वर्ब. यानी कि जब भी नाउन इस टाइप के आएंगे, पेयर, ए पेयर ऑफ सीजर, a pair of shoes, a pair of trousers, like that, then you have to always singular verb. Next is if a plural noun denotes some specific quantity of amounts considered a whole, it take a singular verb. यानी कि जब कभी भी कोई स्पेसिफिक क्वांटिटी या अमाउंट हो जिससे सारे होल एज होल को डिफाइन करता हो, तो वहाँ पे हम हमेशा सिंगुलर फॉर्म यूज़ करेंगे. जैसे कि 100 रुपीज़ ए लॉट्स ऑफ मनी, 1000 रुपीज़ इज़ ए लॉट्स ऑफ मनी, 2 meter is a short distance, like that you have to use only singular nouns. Okay, so student, this is the lesson 14. Let's go through the lesson 15. Hello student, so see, this is the lesson 15, adjectives. As you all aware of the adjectives definition, यानी कि that adjective is the that kind of words that define noun या pronoun. So here is given the adjectives in a story form. So let's read it. You went to Goa with your parents. You lodged at Raj Resorts. Describe it to your friends. Okay. Raj Resorts is a well-known resort in Goa. This comfortable resort with its pleasant garden and enormous swimming pool is ideal for tourists who prefer a quiet holiday. It is only a few kilometers from the modern airport and beautiful Bog Mellow Beach. There is lovely view from every room. The rooms are spacious and cozy. Mr. Vivek Gupta, the owner, is a very efficient, helpful and handsome man. A holiday in Raj Resort is an ideal holiday. The symptoms and delicious food here is a major attraction. The words shown above in the color are adjectives. So student, the word that is printed in the blue form, they all a kind of adjective here. As you all aware of adjective that define that qualify noun या pronoun. So here is that words that are in the blue form, they all are adjectives. So as you can see in the pink box, an adjective is a word that qualifies or describes a noun or pronoun. So let's see what is the adjective of the kinds. Here is a given the kinds of adjectives, means कितने kind के होते हैं adjectives. So first is adjective of quality, या you can say descriptive adjective, यानी कि adjective of quality is also known as descriptive adjective. So let's see it. The adjectives that show the kind, quality, color, shape, size of nouns and pronouns are called adjective of quality या descriptive adjective. यानी कि जो adjective noun के या pronoun के quality को, shape को, color को या noun को qualify करते हैं, उन्हें हम adjective of quality कहते हैं. As like, while driving along the countryside, we saw quaint whitewashed cottages. So here countryside means village. Adjective of quality answer the question of what kind of, means whenever you want to know what kind of adjective is this, then ask what kind of, then if you get the answer, that will be the adjective of quality. So student, here is the given the second adjective of quantity, quantitative adjectives. So the adjectives which show the quantity या amount of thing are called adjective of quantity, यानी कि जो मात्रा को दर्शाते हों, किसी नाउन या प्रोनाउन के अमाउंट को डिफाइन करते हैं, इंडिकेट करते हैं, देयर इज द एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी. एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी आल्सो नोन एज क्वांटिटेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स. So here is given an example. Neha ate the whole apple. So whole apple means adjective of quantity because it is denoting the amount. So adjectives of quantity answer the question how much. Whenever you want to know which adjective is given in the sentence, then answer, then question how much, you will get the answer that this is the adjective of quantity. Some example of adjectives of quantity as much, any, some, little, half, no, whole, enough. यानी कि wherever given this kind of same words, that is adjective of quantity. Next is adjective of numbers. So the adjectives which express the number of person या things are called adjectives of number. यानी कि जो adjective किसी person के number या person या number को describe करते हों, there is the adjectives of number, as like 10 birds flew across the sky, 10 miles is a long distance, 100 rupees is a small money, like that. Some examples of adjectives of number are many, few, no, fish, etc. So adjective of number answer the question how many, yeah, in what order. Next is interrogative adjectives. As you can sense, interrogative means asking some kind of questions. As like interrogative adjectives are adjectives which we use to ask questions with reference to a particular noun, which, whose, what, etc. are interrogative adjectives. यानी कि wherever we have to ask the question, there is the interrogative adjectives. As like what color is your hair, where do you live, no, that is not, what color is your hair, what distance you have to cover, like that questions. Next is possessive adjective, means to monopoly some things. So the adjectives which express the state of possession of noun and are placed before nouns and show possession, means जहाँ पे आपको possession means क्या होता है, अधिकार, अपना, monopoly. So there we have used possession. As like this house is mine, that is your house, this is my book, like that. This is a possessive adjective. As like my school is not far away from your house is too far from my house. Demonstrative adjective, demonstrate something, display something. So demonstrative adjective was word which point out the exact number noun we wish to refer to. This, that, these, those. Demonstrative adjective means that denote or that display something. They say this hat is mine, that house is yours, these money are yours, those books are yours, that, like demonstrative adjectives. Demonstratives means pointing out. Demonstrative adjectives answer the question which. This and that are used with singular nouns while these and those are used with plural nouns. यानी कि this that का यूज़ हम singular noun के साथ करते हैं, जबकि these और those का यूज़ हम plural noun के साथ करते हैं. So student, this is the lesson 14 and 15. So next video we will cover the next chapter, and I will send you all the exercises to you, the homework in the PDF form. So till then you revise and read these chapters. Okay, thank you.